to save time and make more money as an entrepreneur? Watch this video to find out how. Are you feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list as an entrepreneur? It is time to take back your time to increase revenue in your business and also make more money simply by using this very simple tool to use, ChatGPT. Oh, and by the way, this is also gonna help you to achieve your goals faster. So not only is it gonna help you with your productivity, save more money, also increase your time, and really focus on what you love doing in your business and not so much those administrative admin work. You're able to laser focus on what really matters within the business, and ChatGPT is gonna be your very best friend inside of your organization. Come on over, check it out. Oh, hi. You got here pretty fast and I did. I think you're just as excited as I am. Let's hop on into it. Okay, great. So we're here. So basically you wanna create an account. It's very simple, very fast to do. I already created an account, and as you can see, I have a head start here. I wanna show you something really cool. Let's start with the new chat here. You know, let's just say you're creating a relationship course. And again, this applies to anything. Valuable points. You know, adding your own twist to it. So that, you know, sometimes this happens because there's so much, well, there's no direct correlation between and stuff, but there's a healthy fulfillment. Wow. Okay, self-care, very cool, communicate effectively. You're ready to make progress on a certain project, whatever it is that you're doing, and you have this brain funk. This helps you to get back to reality and to your life. Look at all this. Cultivating emotional intelligence, invest time in personal relationships, seeks professional help. I want to know, what is the best hook for this as a YouTube ad to cultivate clients? Are you an ambitious entrepreneur who's driven to succeed in business by struggling by finding balance? Now, a hook needs to be at least 15 seconds. Make it 15 seconds. Attention entrepreneurs, do you want to take your business to the next level? The secret might be in your personal life. It can literally save me so much headache in figuring out what is the best hook to gravitate an audience. This is great. You know, I figure out what my competitors are in my niche regarding like this relationship course that I'm creating, competitors in romantic relationship. Okay, great, perfect. And it's very important to know who your competitors are, of course, and how you can differentiate yourself from them. I got very, very specific as to what it is that I'm looking for. So I wrote down here, write it as a 3-minute script with hook promise combo. I literally put it boom, boom, boom. That's attention entrepreneur, so you try to feel like your level is backseat. And then you got the early CTA, click now to sign up. Credentials, experience, that's important, story. That's exactly 3 minutes. Write with more emotion, pain points, results, and numbers, and more urgency. And that is exactly what I got. Attention entrepreneurs, are you tired of feeling like your level is a distant memory? I am just stunned. Make it more emotional, make it more powerful, you name it. It is endless what you can do with this. You know, this is also great if you're a content creator, if you're running a business and you need some sort of more advertisements or some more marketing going on in your business. This is such a lifesaver. So for me, being an entrepreneur and a content creator, I need as many ideas as I can. So for example, when I'm doing like a YouTube video, what is the best viral topic of making more money as an entrepreneur for a YouTube video? There are some topics related, You got 10 proven strategies to boost your business revenue. How to start a side hustle that makes money. Lessons from successful entrepreneurs who built multi-million-dollar businesses. Wow. 5 ways to monetize your social media presence. Oh, that's a good one. Top 10 mistakes that are costing your business money. Makes me want to click. The best ideas to make the best thumbnails. For this video. And then it tells you exactly how to create the thumbnail. This is all based on like advertising, marketing. Oh, personal brand. What is the best personal brand colors for this niche? Blue. Interesting. Popular color could green. That makes sense. Wealth. Purple is a color for creativity, innovation. I didn't know that. Let's say I want some guidance as far as what kind of bullet points I want for this particular video right now about discussing ChatGPT. The more specific you are, the better results you will get. Top bullet points. Okay, for this particular video, introduction to ChatGPT. Okay, very interesting. Case studies. Whew. Oh my god, that is so true. You can even use this as far as like how to email prospects or emailing back potential clients, whatever it is that you're doing. Oh my god.
If you're doing some sort of email marketing, you can type it in as well.
Oh my god. How to write an email for a potential client into the business. You know, you can say how writing an email to your business can effective way to make an impression. Okay, look at this. It's legit writing me an email right now. And I get to insert what it is. Wow. And let's say you're trying to close a particular client. I'm going to just start generating that real quick and say how to close or what to say to a prospect to, let's say, prospect to buy your services, which is whatever it is, your business. Closing a sale first can be okay. Recap the benefits. This is so true before asking for the sale. Address any concerns. Ask for the sale. Yes. Be confident.
Follow up. Well, follow up is crucial.
Wow. So can help you with your dating life, improve your love life, help you to make more money, save more time, clearly. I wish you guys were live because I want to ask you for fun what else I can fit in here.
Help you to find out more ideas as far as how to expose yourself more out in the marketplace if you're running a business or you're wanting to become an entrepreneur. Endless and endless of ideas and guidance and direction, and saving you headaches, time. Oh man, and all that stuff that entrepreneurs have to go through on a day-to-day basis.
You can spend so many hours doing this. If you want to make this very, very useful and time efficient, don't get caught up in the research, because I know a lot of times researching a lot of stuff can be part of an entertainment process. So make sure you are also disciplined enough to stop doing this. But as you can tell, you can type in anything that it is that you want to do as far as to help you save more time, make more money.
When a friend told me about this, by the way, thank you, Chris Tran, I felt as though the heavens were calling. Like this video if you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel if you're brand new, hit that notification bell, comment down below your takeaways, share this video with the people that you know could really benefit from this sort of tool that can really just impact and transform their lives forever. Watch this video next, because in this video right here, there are 5 side hustles that no one is talking about. If you're looking to build wealth on the side, I suggest you to watch this video. Thank you for watching. You're amazing. And I'll see you next week. Have a great day. Empezamos pero no tenemos fin. Y así me peca y lo mueve como Tilín, bebé. Me tira indirecta, siempre sus stories. Está con su cori, pero me tira el cel. Que dónde está la vuelta, manda la shorty. Esa paisita me sube de nivel. Me tira indirecta, siempre sus stories.